This is the IsoMax Clip Wall system as specified and supplied by the Soundproofing store. This is a very effective, high-performance soundproofing system that will reduce both airborne noise and vibration energy. This system is installed in front of the existing solid wall on an independent stud frame. We isolate the frame from the surrounding surfaces using our 6mm self-adhesive isolation strip. This reduces any flanking vibration. The stud frame is built a minimum of 10mm away from the party wall and fixed instead to the walls either side, the floor and the ceiling. Stud frames are typically built at 600mm centres. We then fill the frame with 60 kg rockwall acoustic mineral wool. This will stop sound from resonating and amplifying within the hollow space created by the frame. We now install the IsoMax clips to the frame at the recommended spacings. Fairing bars are simply clipped into the IsoMax clips and run horizontally across the width of the wall. We now fix our first layer of 15mm acoustic grade plasterboard onto the fairing bars, making sure to leave a 5mm gap around the perimeter. These boards are far higher in mass than regular plasterboard. It is this mass that blocks airborne sound. We now install a layer of self-adhesive TechSound SY100. This specialist viscoelastic material adds much more mass to the wall while saving space. The TechSound will also block different sound frequencies than the plasterboard, giving us a superior performance. We now fix our second and final layer of 15mm acoustic grade plasterboard and fill the 5mm perimeter gap with acoustic sealant. The wall is now ready to be plastered. The new IsoMax wall works in two ways. Our new wall layers are adding a great deal of mass to block a high amount of airborne sound, while our IsoMax clips decouple the new wall layers from the structure and absorb any vibration energy that tries to travel through the wall.